Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. In this particular video, I'll be talking about the defense sector and its stocks. So there are many companies and some of them are my real favorites. According to me, they are all really bright and they are really given a good run up. There is still a capacity of them to double from here where they are. So majorly, what is happening, that government has really been aggressive on the defense budget. There is something very interesting happening. We are even exporting some of our defense objects to some countries, which never happened. Every time I find a base or support or accumulation zone, I will actually would like to invest more in these stocks. Elections will have a positive impact as far as I understand, and I would just close my eyes and invest.
Stock trading involves inherent risks. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions and any resulting outcomes, including financial loss. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The information presented reflects expert views and should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell any security. References to specific stocks or mutual funds are for illustrative purposes only. Investing carries risk. Always consult a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst and my company's name is Stock Group. In this particular video, I'll be talking about the defense sector and its stocks. So there are many companies and some of them are my real favorites, like starting from Data Pattern, BDL, which is Bharat Dynamic, then BEL, then we have, Masdoc, then we have Cochin Shipyard, then we have Astra Microwave, then we have, a lot of them, that they are really, really good. According to me, they are all really bright and they have really given a good run up. Now the thing is, the stocks have really given fantastic move in last 1.5 to 2 years. And there's a very solid reason behind it, we'll discuss that in the next question. But what I still feel, there is still capacity of them to double from here where they are. But I would say that wait for some correction. Every dip is an opportunity to accumulate at least BDL, BEL, Masdoc, Cochin Shipyard, and Data. And even Astra Microwave. These all can be accumulated. Whenever there is a dip in the market, they correct, they come to a support, we can accumulate in all of them. Out of them, my favorite at this point of time is Bharat. So majorly, what is happening, that government has really been aggressive on the defense budget. In year 23-24, it was roughly about 6.1 lakhs. And 24-25, they've increased it by almost 13. There's almost continuous increment of 13 to 15% year-on-year basis. That means government is really focusing on Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. In fact, there is something very interesting happening. We are even exporting some of our defense objects to some countries, which never happened. So I see a bright future, in this particular sector, where we are developing missiles, where we are developing unmanned flights, etc. There could be a very, very good future in all of them. And being, the budget being increased every year, that shows the aggression of government and focus of this government towards this particular sector. So I will wait for all these 6-7 stocks to give me some correction. Every time I find a base or support or accumulation zone, I will actually would like to invest more in these stocks. So what I understand, no matter what government comes, whether it, I would not like to take the name, but whichever government comes, they would continue with their increase in the budget towards the defense sector, until they really believe that there's no point spending so much money in the defense sector. But what I understand at this point of time, elections will have a positive impact as far as I understand. And the budget from here is going to be as strong as it has been, and the focus will always remain on Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. So more manufacturing will take place in India, and more tie-ups will happen. There are so many tie-ups happening, from international companies with Indian companies, and in fact, in the budget, in the defense sector also, I believe a lot of such types will happen, and India will have a different dynamics in the space of the defense sector. So I am pretty much positive that from here, defense sector will move further. In next 5 years, I think the current status, wherever we stand, these stocks stand, they should at least double from this place. I also have the same. See, experts are bullish on the defense sector. Even I am bullish on the defense sector, because all said and done, no matter which government comes, there will be always having a good defense budget. And I believe that whatever is the current status, more manufacturing will happen and more exports will happen. When this will happen, right now, even if you pick up any of these companies, they have huge order books. They have huge order books means there is a lot more products that they have yet to deliver. So I'm definitely very, very bullish, because the order book is good, environment is good, and the budget is good. Put together, I believe there will be huge growth in this particular sector. Always startups are like a gamble. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, doesn't work. But of course, if we can look into what kind of technological advancement they are making. Like they're really bringing something very out of the box concept, and their fundamentals are good, their concept is good, their financials are good, and they're keeping all government policies in place. Why not? We should really encourage all the startups, and I would like to see some out of the box concept in defense sector, and definitely invest in it. And I will suggest people do this. You must have seen nowadays, the technology changes very fast. Whether it is mobile phone, whether it is softwares, like recently the entire software space is disturbed by the AI has come in the market, right? So until a company is very, very rapid in its advancement, it will not be able to grow. So first, if I have to look into some company where I want to invest, they have to have technological advancements. They should be rapidly upgrading their technology. That should be my first criteria. Second criteria will be that they're taking care of all the government policies. Right? There should be none that should be ignored. Then third is that they should be really doing all the compliance according to the geopolitical situation, keeping geopolitical situation in mind. And third, their financials have to be decent. Like they have to be very rooted in their financials. Then they should have clean financials. So these are the things that I would like to see in any startup or any company. Because we're talking about the startup. They may not have good financials, but two things I definitely would like to see: that their technological advancement is great, and they should be complying to all government policies. These are two main points. So I would definitely like to see their sales. There has to be a continuous sales growth. I would like to see their order book, right? They have to have a very solid order book. And these are the two financials. And the third, I would like to see their operating. They have to have a decent operating profit margin. These are the three financial factors that I definitely want to see before I invest into any company. As we have to be prepared, we don't know what may happen tomorrow. We need to be prepared. So that's why the defense budget is being increased every year. We need to be prepared for anything that happens unexpectedly. And that is why for that matter, is what I'm understanding, budget is being increased every year. Although I would suggest that it's not a good idea to really keep on increasing the defense budget, but at the same time, we need to be prepared also. So geopolitical situation is not very comfortable at this point. There's a lot of unease around India's countries, like neighborhood. So we need to be prepared, and that is why these, you must have seen the budget being increased, and that is why we see these companies coming up. So definitely we need to be prepared. There's a good opportunity at 240. If it comes to 240, you don't even have to think twice. accumulate as much as you can. This is Bharat Electronics. After that, we talk about BDL, which I just had a split about a couple of days back, and in this, accumulation is roughly about 1,000. If the stock falls till about 1,000, we can really enter into it and accumulate more quantity. If we talk about Masdog had an accumulation zone somewhere around the 2,500. If it falls, if market corrects by any chance, we can accumulate some good quantity, and it's a solid stock with almost like 30,000 crore as its order book. After that, we talk about Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard just is an uptrend and finding no space for accumulation. But if at all we get an opportunity, 1380 is a very, very good zone to accumulate. Aster Microwave, again an uptrend, continuously uptrend, and in case we get an opportunity, we can wait for it to fall till about 700, and that's a good place to accumulate. And if we talk about Data Pattern, that's also a good uptrend. A buying opportunity can be seen at about 2,500 again. And in the last, we have HAL, which is just in the flight upward. And there is a good opportunity for accumulation in this stock closer to 4,000. So all of them require almost like 20 to 25% correction. In case it happens due to any reason, it will be very, very good opportunity to accumulate at these levels. HAL has really given a big, massive flight. There is no buying opportunity at this point. Why? Because there could be a correction of about 25%. So I would like to see that it comes down to roughly about 4,000, and from there will be an opportunity for us to accumulate. But right now, we just have to stand out that there could be some correction that I'm expecting. Otherwise, it's just vertical flight, and in vertical flights, the drop is also vertical sometimes if some kind of news comes up. So I would like to wait and watch and take an entry only around. So at the top, I will definitely keep Bharat Dynamics because they've started exporting missiles to some other countries as well. And then I would like to keep Masdog and then HAL. Even BEL for that matter. I mean, in fact, I find all of them too attractive, but the price is not it. Companies are very attractive, but the price is not attractive. So I would like them to correct about 25 to 30% from the current price. And in case that happens, I would just close my eyes and invest. Watch me in TICE TV for more such updates on various other sectors. There are many more episodes lined up. Stay tuned for more updates.